Today's word is nullify. Let's talk about its meaning, pronunciation, and use. Nullify. Nullify. This word is a verb. Nullify means to make something legally or officially invalid, or to make something lose its effect, power, or value. So when you nullify something, you make it ineffective, powerless, or no longer valid. For example, the rain nullified our plans for the picnic. This means the rain cancelled our picnic plans. Another example, one mistake can nullify all your hard work. This means one mistake can destroy the value of your hard work. Let's look at some synonyms. Cancel, invalidate, annul, void, neutralize, negate. But be careful, nullify is more formal than cancel. We often use it in legal, official, academic, or serious contexts. Common collocations: nullify a contract, nullify an agreement, nullify a decision, nullify the effect, nullify the evidence, nullify the impact. More examples. His bad attitude nullified the value of his good skills. It means his bad attitude removed the positive effect of his skills. Number 2, the new evidence nullified the earlier conclusion. It means the earlier conclusion was no longer accepted because of the new evidence. Number 3, too much noise nullified my ability to focus. It means the noise completely destroyed my concentration. So remember, nullify means to make something invalid, ineffective, or powerless. Now it's your turn. Make your own sentences with nullify in the comments.